Hello scrappers! Tonight I'm going to be scrapping this. This is a windshield wiper assembly out of my friend's pickup truck. His though he said the wipers would go up and stop halfway and then go back down, I told him it was probably just a positioning sensor. Probably all it was, probably just clean the positioning sensor in here. But he got a great deal on the entire arm off of eBay, and he just unbolted old one, bolted in new one, and gave it to me to scrap. Right off the bat, there's an electric motor here, but the motor housing is aluminum, and there's going to be some kind of circuit board in here because we got a wiring harness, and these pivot points here appear to be cast aluminum. So we'll be trying to separate that, but everything else is just steel. Let's get a weight on this if I can. Wait for it to scale the power up. Kind of lean it. 7.5 pounds. I think to make this easier, that just pops off. I think to make this easier to handle, I'm just going to go ahead and cut her up in the sections. Maybe I'll cut it here. Go. And these are Torxes. Let's see what size we got. Guessed it right again. Am I right? Is there a circuit board in here? No. There's your positioning sensor. Some little metal contacts. Yeah, that's all it was. This little gizmo here broke off. I bet there was a little... Yeah, see how it worked? This wasn't here. Yeah, that broke off. And as your wiper goes around, it changes the contact from that point to that point. That's all it was, that little sensor. That's a silver contact. And those are also silver contacts. Yeah. Boing! These brass. Those are brass. Oh yeah, that's brass, all right. Got that nice brass color to it. These got silver contacts on them. See if I can get the whole piece off. Where's the other one? I have a little thing of silver contacts here. They do add up. There's that one. And there's a couple more. Get these other brass things off. Kind of just trying to make room between them so I can grab hold of them. Just like that. Maybe I can pull them this way. There we go. Brass and a little piece of copper bearing circuit board. These little pathways in here, these little traces, those are copper bearing circuit board. Now how do I get another little piece of circuit board in there? Cast aluminum. Got a bolt here. I believe I'm just going to cut here. Let's see if I can get these screws out of this motor. Got some magnets. That's just going to pry out for me. Probably not. Just going to pry out this way. Probably not. Is that brass? Man, it sticks to that shaft. That shaft is steel. We have a little E-clip in there, it looks like. Got a bolt in the back I'm going to try to get out. Will this fit down in there? Sure will. Almost. No, I bet that's going to be hot. Never seem to learn my lesson. Oh, a little clip right there. Little snap ring. Snap ring went flying. Now this dumb gear can come out. Some more tin for the tin bucket. Oh, I still want to clean this up, because the aluminum's worth more without the steel on it. Worth more without the steel and the plastic. You gotta think, how did they get that in there? It's the same way I gotta get it out. Magnet sticks to that too. I think I see how to get this clip out. Need something, a smaller poker. Now it's just rotating. It's just gonna spin on me now. Well, the aluminum is much softer than the steel. Maybe I can cut right down into this. Burning my fingies. Got the smell of burning steel, burning rubber. Almost time just to cut that off flush and just make it look like I tried. I bet that's gonna be hot. Yep. There we go. It looks cleaner now, at least. How do I get this motor out? That's what I really want. This is what I should have tried the first time. Get a really good grip on it. And just punch it right through that. Punch that clip right through. Just like that. So now we got some electric motor. Call that whole thing electric motor. I'm going to cut this off, clean this up a little bit. That's not good. There we go. Got some cast aluminum, some more steel. Let's see if we can clean this up a little bit. Or should I just call all this tin? Never scrapped one of these before. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get a look at it. Wonder if I cut that off flush and then bang everything else through. Kind of weird not getting any sparks. See if it's ready to bend and break now. Using tools like they never thought they'd be used. Bet we're getting low. Getting low. Oh, is that brass? Where'd you go? It's hot. That's it. No, it's not it. It'll turn up. They always do. Let's see if that'll tap out now. Of course it will. Now I'm going to cut here. I don't think. So the problem with cutting aluminum is it gums up your cutoff wheel. It's a good thing I got the space in here. Yeah, this battery's done. New battery. I gotta find something better to cut that with. It is so hot in here. Got my penny's worth out of that sucker. You know what? I put too much time into this. This is how the scrapyard's gonna get it. That's 10 for the tin bucket. Let's see how we did. We got a little over 8 pounds. We have some half a pound of cast aluminum. Almost a full pound of electric motor. Copper bearing circuit board doesn't really register. The copper bearing bucket. Now the magnet, there's a lot of plastic here, but the magnet at the scrapyard can pick that up. So that can go right in your tin bucket. Got 6.5 pounds. Wish that came apart a little easier. You win some, you lose some. Time and money to me are the same thing. Do you want more time or do you want more money? And brass doesn't really register, but hey, it all adds up. Never know, I might have to trade some of this for some ramen noodles or something. Times are getting tough now. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.